Now we're going to look at 1.17 where we come to rounding. So we need to see the accuracy that they're looking for. So if we look at this one here, it says we need to round it to the nearest whole number. So let's look at all these numbers here, and then we're going to round it to the nearest whole number. As you can see, this one here, whole number is on the left of the decimal place. So as you can see here, if I were to round this to the nearest whole number, it would be 0. Because first I need to look at the whole number, which is here. This is a placement for the whole number. And I look at the number at the side of it. Is it 5 or more or less than 5? If it's less than 5, then there's no addition at all. So look at the next one. Whole number here. Circle the number beside it. If it's 5 or more, then we just draw an arrow and write +1. So the answer here is 1. But you can write it if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to, you can also do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want to, just just to show that you know what's happening. So the next one here, if I need to round it to the nearest whole number, you can see, underline the whole number, 5 or more, we need to add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Same thing here, whole number. It's not here, it's here, right beside on the left of the decimal place. Look at this, 5 or more, we add 1. So the answer will be 11.000. Same thing here. This number, so nothing happens, we just cancel it. So the answer will be 1007. Sorry. So this one here is based on the nearest whole number. This is the placement that we were looking at. Okay, next, we need to look at if we need to round it to 1 decimal place. So let's just put this to this 1 decimal place is this color. So we're just gonna highlight the 1 decimal place. So we're gonna ignore the red color now. We're just gonna highlight the 1 decimal place. So once you highlighted that, we need to underline the line, the number beside it. Less than 5, nothing happened. 0.3. Same thing here. More than 5, you underline it at 1. 0.6. Next one. We remain whatever's on the left, by the way. So look at this one here. On the line, cancel because it is less than 5, so 1.7. Next one, 10.9. Next one, 1007.2. As you can see, less than 5, nothing happens. And then the rest of the number behind becomes 0. Okay, now we need to look at 2 decimal places. So let's just change it to yellow in color. So 2 decimal places here. So we're just going to take the second decimal place. Here, 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 and here. So if it is more than 5 or more, then we're going to increase it. So the first one, it is 5 or more because it's the number 7. 0.35. We need to add 1. 0.59. 1.70. 10.90. 1007.21. Okay, as you can see, we only increase when this is 5 or more. Okay, the last 3 significant figures. So this is the tricky one. So I'm not going to use highlighter anymore. I'm going to use green color here. Because significant figures changes as time goes by. So 3 significant figure, find the one with the largest value and start counting. 1, 2, 3. So this is the number that we're looking at. And we have to look at the number on its right. So 5 or more, so we're going to increase it to 0.348. Next one, we're going to do the same thing. Largest value here, underline 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. So we're going to look at this one here. Well, it is less than 5, so 0.589. Next one. So pick the largest value, which is here. See, now it changes the position. 1, 2, 3. So if we round it, we're going to get 1.72. Next one, bigger number. So start from the largest value. 1, 2, 3. So look at this one here. Okay, we cannot do anything, so it's 10.9. And last one, 1, 2, 3. You can look at this number here. So the answer will be 1010. is for 3 significant figures. And last but not least, we need to look at 2 significant figures. We're going to underline in orange in color. So let me just erase this away. So let's look at this 1, 2. So we're going to look at this number here. So now we're going to get 0.35. Because 7 is larger than 5. Okay, cool. Again, 1, 2. We got this number here. Okay, so plus 1. So 0.59. Next one, 2 significant figure, 1, 2. Look at this number, nothing happened. So it is 1.7. Next one, 1, 2, plus 1. So we got 11. Well, actually, don't need the 0. Next one, 1, 2. Okay, this is something different because it is a big number. So you can see we just look at the number 0 here. Nothing happened. So our answer should remain as 1,000. Don't change it to 100 or 10. So as you can see, it's a little bit difficult when the number is bigger. If it's smaller or decimals, then it's quite easy. So you just need to get used to the idea for significant figures. I think decimal points should be quite easy, just the significant figures. It's a little bit difficult.